Another day, another beautiful island. Aboard the Celebrity Summit. Welcome to Curacao. Hi, I'm Bonnie, and for those of you new here, my channel deals primarily with cruise destinations, extend your cruise ideas, and travel-related tips. Cruise excursions are also a topic of mine. I love to show where I go to help you make that better decision for yourself. Consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. We are going to take a walk from the ship. We're going to go straight out the ship and hang a right, and that will bring us over to the downtown area. We'll look around there a bit, and then on to the Beauties of CURACAO tour, which will be exploring the natural and cultural wonders of Curacao. So sit back, relax, and enjoy Curacao. Our day starts off with a hearty breakfast from the Ocean View Cafe, where they serve you everything, including your eating utensils.
For you, would you like more banana?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Anything else?
Scrambled eggs.
This is my preferred method.
I never thought to do that. You know? That's so cool. They're all locks. Here's the bridge. It's half there. It swings all the way over there, and then it comes over again at another time. The bridge is coming over to connect again. It had to open for a ship that was passing through. So this is kind of a lot like Holland, because that's how they operate as well. A lot of European influence here. I would say there's lots of Dutch people. Here's a mall that's right outside of the cruise terminal. So it's something you could walk to easily in Curacao. I have to warn you though, in the summer, it's probably, I don't know, maybe 100 degrees with high humidity. And they still are enforcing the face masks. Didn't see many people wearing it. Back to the room. I mean, my hair is soaked. It is just so hot outside. We're here in July. I mean, I'm not sure. We're actually taking a tour at once, so we're getting ready for that. But I am not sure how people can be walking around. There's no shade anywhere. So just be aware that if you're coming into the summertime, it is super hot. Wear sunscreen, get a hat. It's a beautiful place. It's just, it's a little bit hot. Today we are taking a trip to the BOKA TABLA National Park. Tropical KNIP Beach, a local plantation house and gallery around the island on the other side, and I'm so thankful that it will be air conditioned. This is called the Beauties of CURACAO Tour.
The plate number is number 9, CW9. There it is, the countryside, more hilly, more open, more of the history and all of that. One big pride of the island of Curacao, the bridge, the Queen Emma Bridge. Only wooden pontoon bridge in the whole world. Our pride. And we call her the swinging old lady. As you can see again, typical Dutch colonial architectural style, but with a very much tropical touch at it, because it was kind of show off what you have, what money you make, and it was in the tropics. So you can see here at the right hand side, for instance, the balcony across the home. Balconies, porches, patios were larger made than in the Netherlands, because there you don't use it. And Dutch people are very practical. What you don't use, you don't build, you don't buy, you don't get it. House of a free slave. This house is called the KNIP house, or the Kasi Palibaishi, abolishment of slavery. Here it is at the right hand side. The monument, as you can see, is symbolizing a fist. That is, of course, the fight for freedom, and the broken chain, which is, of course, symbol of freedom. The so-called 3 doors. Church, where you get your education, your base of life, the rules, the school, also your education, and finally where life ends for us all, in the cemetery. The BOKA started like this, first black, and then 2-3 million years old. A lot of signs are in Dutch or in Brazilian, depends.
Really pretty. This is such a beautiful beach. KNIP Beach. Look at the color of the water. It's really unreal.
Brother, the name of the area, of the village. Flamingos from Bonaire always fly over in groups like this to come over and have their fine dining restaurant in the evening.
So we just came back from the shore excursion. We're between meals. But there's my key lime pie.
Cake of some sort.
Cupcake of the day. My thoughts on the tour. It was a good tour. I had no idea about the history of Curacao and I learned a lot. And the beauty on the other side of the island, the beach was really spectacular. KNIP Beach. KNIP Beach. The flamingos were so colorful. Next week is Aruba, plus I'll be also doing some future videos about the Celebrity Summit, some food and entertainment videos, as well as a room and a ship tour. So please stay tuned for that, and thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss anything. Until next time.